Hello kids! How are you today? I am teacher Nico from Chalor School. So once again, welcome to another science class. This time, our topic was all about the materials and their properties. Again, materials and their properties. So this time, all you need to do is to learn these vocabulary words. Okay? So let's start. We have the strength, hardness, buoyancy, flexibility, and electrical and heat conductivity. Again, electrical and heat conductivity. So, what materials were we talking about in this lesson? So, this is our topic for this time. Okay? So, let's start with the strength. So, when we say strength, okay? So, just remember the word support. Okay? When you hear the word strength, okay, can you spell strength? S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H. Strength. So just remember the word support. For example, the pail is strong. So pail, what is one, okay? The bucket. It can support the water in it without breaking. Okay? Just remember, support, strength. Okay? So next, going to hardness. Okay? Again, hardness. Number one, strength. Strength. Hardness. Hardness. Very good. So, what other properties of material do you know? So we have the hardness. Can you spell hardness? Hardness. Hardness. So when you see the word hardness, all you need to do is to remember this word. Withstand. Again, withstand. Okay, so this is example. The metal ruler is hard as it does not suffer any scratches. Okay, so the metal ruler can withstand to the scratches. Okay, remember the word withstand. Okay, hardness. Next, number three, buoyancy. So again, number one we have strength, hardness, and buoyancy. Okay, so again, spell buoyancy. B-U-O-Y-A-N-C-Y. Buoyancy. Again, B-U-O-Y-A-N-C-Y. Buoyancy. Okay? So when you hear the word, when you see the word, just remember float. Okay? Float. So float, this one, it means fly. Okay? Now, can you spell float? F-L-O-A-T. Float. Very good. So the example is the wooden raft can be float on water. So this is the wooden raft. Can be float on the water. Its ability can float on water. Okay? So buoyancy, remember the word float. Okay? Next time is the flexibility. Number one, we have the strength. Strength, hardness, buoyancy, and flexibility. Okay, let's go to flexibility. Okay, so again, can you spell flexibility? Flexibility. Flexibility. Very good. So, when you hear the word flexibility, all you need to remember the word bend. Okay? Again, bend. Spell bend. B-E-N-D. Bend. For example, the plastic ruler is flexible as it does not break easily when it is bent. Okay, this example. Oh, that one is an example of bent. Okay, so flexibility, bent. Okay, next we're going to the electrical and heat conductivity. So again, we have the strength, hardness, buoyancy, flexibility, and the last one we have the electrical and heat conductivity. Again, electrical and heat conductivity. So go. So first we are going to discuss the electrical conductivity first. So when we say electrical conductivity, when it comes, okay, repeat after me. When it comes to the flow of electric, okay? Electric bawa, hi-fi, current, all materials fall into some of these categories. We have the electrical insulators. Again, electrical insulators and electrical conductors. Again, so what are the two categories? We have the electrical insulators, electrical conductors. Okay, so when we say electrical insulator, again, any material that does not allow, okay, just remember the word not allow electric current to pass through it, like the protective coating on wires, this one. Okay, so what is an example of electrical insulator? So just remember the word na, okay, not allow. So the example are plastic, okay, we have the rubber, okay, we have the glass, we have the cloth, and wood. Okay, so these are the example of electrical insulator which does not allow electric current to pass through it. Okay, again, plastic, rubber, glass, cloth, and wood. So again, repeat after me. Electrical insulator means not allow. Okay, example, plastic, rubber, glass, cloth, and wood. Okay, very good. So next we are going to the electrical conductor. Okay, so when we say electrical conductor, any material that allows, okay, allows, remember the word allows electric current to pass through it. So last while ago, when we say electric insulator, not allow. So this time, electric conductor can allow electric current to pass through it. So this is the insulator, okay, the plastic, and the conductor is the metal. So what are the example of electrical conductors? We have the copper, the aluminum. This is the copper na, aluminum. We have the steel, and any metals. Okay, any metals can allow electric current to pass through it. So these are the examples of electrical conductor. Okay, copper, aluminum, steel, any metal. Okay, so we're going to the heat conductivity. Okay, just the same like the electrical conductivity. Okay, so again, when it comes to the flow of heat, again, all materials fall into some of these categories. We have the heat insulators and heat conductors. So again, what are the two heat conductivity? We have the heat insulators and heat conductors. So when we say heat insulator, just like the electrical insulator, not allow, okay? Any material that does not allow heat to pass through it, like the protective coating wire, okay? Example, we have the plastic, the rubber, the glass, and cloth, and wood, okay? So, heat insulator not allow heat to pass through it. And the next, of course, same as a electrical conductor. When you say heat conductor, any material that allows heat to pass through it, we have the copper, the aluminum, steel, and any metal, okay, can allow heat. Okay, example, when you put some metal on the fire, it can allow heat to pass through it, okay? So, this time we are going to have a quiz time to answer your worksheet. So, number 1. The hardness of a material is the ability of the material to withstand. Okay? So earlier, is it scratches or breaking? What is the correct answer? Scratches. Very good. Okay, next, number 2. The elasticity of a material is the ability of the material to return to its original shape and size after being stretched or scratched. Just remember this word, elasticity. That is stretch. Okay, next, number 3. The rubber band. Okay, rubber is elastic or strong? What is the correct answer? Very good, elastic. Okay, next, number 4. The heat conductivity, okay, heat conductivity of a material is the ability of the material to allow heat or water to pass through it. So, a while ago, what I said, is it heat or water? What is the correct answer? Very good, heat. Next, number 5. The electrical, this time electrical na, okay? Conductivity of a material is the ability of the material to allow, is it electricity or heat to pass through it? Electrical. Of course, that is electricity. Okay? So, next, number 6. The eraser is it soft or hard? Because it can be scratched by a metal ruler. So, what is the correct answer? That is soft. Okay? Next, number 7. Electrical conductors or insulators are materials that allow, allow electricity to pass through it. So, what is it? Is it electrical conductor or insulator? That is conductor. Yes. Electrical conductors allow electricity, while electrical insulators does not allow. Okay? Next, number 8. Electrical conductors or insulators are materials that do not. Okay, do not. So what is the correct answer? Okay, I told you earlier that is insulator. Very good. So next, this time going to few objects are given below, which are the rubber band, the knife, and wooden ruler, which is related to this question. So number 1, why is metal used to make knives? So why is metal used to make knives? Is it A? Metal is hard. We use a knife to cut other things such as fruits or vegetables. So metal is hard. Or B, metal is soft. What is the correct answer? Letter A. Very good. Next, we have Number 2. Compare the hardness between the knife and length. Is it A? The hardness of knife can withstand scratches. Or B? The hardness of wooden ruler can withstand scratches. This is compare the hardness between the knife and wooden ruler, okay? What is the correct answer? This letter A. The hardness of knife can withstand scratches because a knife is made of metal, okay? Next, number 3. Which of the objects is elastic? Elastic. Is it A, rubber band, B, bottle, or C, chair? What is the correct answer? Elastic. That is rubber band. Very good. Next, number 4. Which object can conduct heat and what is it? Is it A, insulator, B, nothing, or C, conductors? What is the correct answer? Conductors. Conduct heat, okay? Still, this is the keyword, conduct heat. So, conductors, okay? Next, number 5. Which objects are heat insulators? Do not allow heat. Is it A, copper and gold, B, all metals, C, wood, plastic, and rubber? What are example of heat insulator? So again, when we say heat insulator, do not allow heat conductivity. Okay? That is letter C. Very good. So I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Goodbye!